Not go anywhere, may go in Uromi Palace. You should go there. Brother,
Me don't tell you. If you know that someone, Joyous, me don't tell this my sister. If you go call their family, they may they go Oba, our king for Uromi. May they tell us say rather no one make people rest for this social media because there's someone they send juju from Benin, they meet people for Ishan. I never hear that before. Now for Ishan go do their own.
Make it stay away from some people. When
it don't matter for Benin, may stay away from Ishan people.
Yeah. If you want someone Benin person, if you go Benin, go somewhere. As far as say na Ishan. We not the answer Benin or Juju. Go and ask.
This DNA of a thing be say the first daughter so divine, not be the man. That will not be new thing, not be the man. Oh, who not be someone before? Ex-wife, the male wife self don't even talk.
The ex-wife talk. I talk him.
That will not be new thing. What is the someone before?
You better unfollow me. May I block you now? God punish you. You demand? May I block you? You don't need to unfollow me. You say now your fans are defined. They crazy.
You don't understand that my sister, because when they talk now, my sister, you and because say you know record that for the record road that time road that went take call you for that first time when you take tolerance, why you know say now you can't talk for year. That time you ever those record that tell that I don't say you tell that say make she start to the bully single mother. But this one be like say I just come up for I just come up for a whole issue when Juju day. Una come enter Benin, come they bring Benin, Juju come they bring person for that they do one. Joyous, that December when you bring her for you, wait till our king talk.
The king won her.
They won her. That's why I make she not try her again.
Mama make talk to his daughter. They call
they call her that time, you not call they pick.
The first time when we first go king, stop the one road that may stay away from a road that no here. He comes to the joint, they don't see they bring mama house.
They go find mama. I don't want that because I'll be there for the pity for her. Go find mama number. If I block her for this TikTok, I go turn her.
Mama, as you come for you, come for your mama.
But you have a do enough, right? Or everybody say challenge you enough. Wait,
where you say you for come?
I'm from Uromi, I'm a Doshan.
Wait, first tell me say road and knife and jump there for growth. Their papa village now I'm in Doshan. First of all, I go kill goat.
I'm in Doshan for I'm in Doshan.
If now I'm in Doshan, she beat too. She go kill goat.
No, road and knife and Dion, road and not be I'm in Doshan. Knife and Dion. You be like saying mama be I'm in Doshan.
No, who gonna give me that grave? That grave. They say they move for Doshan. And for F and John. The papa originality now I'm in Doshan. No worry, I'm gonna
where my family they stay with their road that family house. You know past 12 minutes. If I
now you dey disturb.
If I call my sister and say go ya
no go. Mona sit down for the platform the Sagara.
My opinion, the daughter Pikin say
my opinion, sister. As is someone you from Benin, may you say go somewhere. If you know say this thing that for your body, may you go bring paper for her from this and
my sister, I beg, make you know there's someone like what see when she come Uromi can't do anything we want to.
No.
He only married for Benin. Now where he for come, both of them for come. Now dear, now you go take bring paper. Why you go Benin go somewhere you?
They don't do that.
Not be Benin. It not be Benin now Uromi, not be Benin.
Now 20 day, maybe not for that girl. Now depression they worry.
They waste money for
I'm not praying anything happen to her, but I pray may she live to weakness. May she for eat for the plate where she go mother for. Let be my prayer to her.
If they don't want to pack the man, may go to sleep around as they sleep around before. When you come my party, not
my sister. I want to ask you. Come on, tell Obey. If not be say you and Rhoda never stay house now, I'll two of them don't stay house together. You must tell me now. Rhoda knows you. What we say Rhoda no knows you.
We not agree. May call Romy. Commission.
What serve me paper? You serve me paper for Uromi. I'm not go drag ourselves for Uromi. You from Uromi? From
Uromi. That's rich now.
You get family for Uromi. I get family for Uromi.
If your family get power for Uromi, go someone for Uromi.
What you concern my family?
Obey. Now, Dave, after Evoji, now, she wants stamina.
Yes,
now, go get this after Evoji. Now, she wants stamina. That one where that they do, until now, just they just give the lamp for there. This one when come they run up and down. Come someone now, this guy now will come carry you go or back this thing say, see why he come must outside come talk because he don't call you for indoor. You know one here. Now make her come outside, come they talk, say, when you start to insult to go mother. My sister, matter not get this matter. Because him myself, this talk when she say he talk, say, no be you get the pikin. Because the way they call single mother, he don't call you for indoor before. Say, okay, stop this thing. No, they call single mother again. This one when they come outside and come they serve juju paper. Come they give juju paper from Bini. Even they hear the guy they tell and say, even they beg her. If you like say this is my sister.
Nothing that juju
No,
matter.
my sister. Joyous, what would ya? Open you threaten her. Open you the curse her. The way open
I cause the native doctor.
you must stop it. The way open you then threaten her. If you like say the boy call the beggars, okay. You are beg, you enter motor, you know far.
Native doctor even they tell me say no far now. You know far, not be no 4 hours now. They go still go back that day.
Yeah. But I tell you, we jam. Brother,
oh, yeah, leave juju. This juju matter for inside this matter. Just leave juju.
Wait, Mama so say wait. You know say before Rhoda go bring Asian people. Some people go the saga then. I me stop her.
Yes, now you stop her. Yes.
Now me stop her that thing. You go bring your village people. You roam me. Anybody go call the saga then. Rhoda, why you they pretend for TikTok? If not be me, wait tell you say I will put an end to that. We are not they behave like.
You see, are they saga for different platforms?
They come for you now. You
don't even saga.
How many people she wants to know? Now only you talk that.
I don't talk my own past. Say I sweating my Irish that time.
The way why he do for my present who come?
Don't be only you talk for her matter. How many people she want to some more? Everybody
people. You feel there's someone beneath for beneath that they fear you. Come Esan. You know now, you cannot juju for beneath. We get better juju for Esan. If na any right there. If na any tribe for Esan.
I say this December, it comes someone Joyous.
We go carry your family the post and you know now.
For the one in December.
Okay, this December, so don't be saying that like this December we just come also. Is someone Joyous for Joyous Wabuja? Is someone Joyous from Bini? He husband come someone Joyous from Bini. Now our back on tell us say make she not try this one again. This one for now they go carry from Bini, they carry juju, they come Ishan. Never. They don't they do it. They say they call the call road that the way Joyous state, they say they call the call road that don't not come answer again. Now the upper come one they talk say if they try this thing again. Sorry, our king come talk as if they try this thing again. OJ ma vale, OJ ni te. Oh, OJ ma.
No, Romy King. You know they.
So that's seven. The man that matter tell awful.
They ask them now, me and ask them what they will do.
So that's the reason that you're not too let this to go fair. As a man, because after Evoji, Nebuna, oh, what they call it? You know, Amidoshan. After Evoji, Nebi Amidoshan. Amidoshan people. If you say they find witch, now they go even see the body. They just they
I was born Rome. I grew up Rome.
You understand that one where that they do? Brother, I beg.
God
use your sense for this matter.
Not be we know you reach out to no contracting now. We gallant. Oh, juju matter we dey. This shall be extra people not the shake. Go try to be way they fear you. Not try and come ourselves. We dey give back.
Go they carry your husband and when use your husband face front.
You don't kill your husband now. And the first one now, when you come marry for Esan now, you go to someone there now crying for Esan. Now when the king fed your husband for December, when carry go somewhere, the king say which name they say the man dey. Now they ask him, Mama, who be this man? The mama say marry pikin. Now king ask him, where they for marry that they carry problem on you. The mama come in that they beg. Go Esan, we not be Bini. Since you don't turn yourself to Bini, now Bini they do. I know what to stop Bini people. So make una tell us. I say na Esan involve Adegiriba. Make it go palace. Who are bell? All the thing where you do me, where you talk against me, you not say my husband sister give me husband money, me say marry me. Wait till you talk about me, who call?
No, when you bring your family house, take come master for this ocean, when they come, they don't let that boy. You supposed to give out juju paper. Do not do it. You don't do it one day.
They give bloggers. They kill you. I summon you. We not they take nonsense. We work as take innocent. Oh, they sorry. I thought they don't call him about that platform. So na zero that I can. Man, I no try. If you want carry road, I'm gonna go.
Oh, is it now? As we if I know you call me, if I know you call me this morning, say now even wake me. Now tell I know you say if I know you rest for this matter. Road and uromi woman. Me na uromi woman. You na be if I know you na be ninja rest.
Wallahi, you know what? You know what? Make me the verse for this matter now. A pan not supposed to bring him this thing because our fans don't ready the verse for this matter. Say okay, they don't ready the verse. A pan don't talk.
He carry my number go give a pan. A pan call confessor. I know what he want. He want to shut my mouth. Me I not going to go to live.
They do. I know I made the bring the secret come outside, but you go feel people secrets come outside. You feel the saga your own some people.
He want me settle and he want me settle. Me I not going to talk for the life for TikTok. Maybe they talk about it. I'm not going to talk for.
My sister, that one, my sister, any platform where they even call you myself, not even go there again. You understand me? Now, no go there. If your man say me you type platform, because I see one platform when I come they argue, when they touch you, the person call they say na so. When they say the person, you understand me now?
The platform, and that's those Bobby platform where they solve their heads.
Why you come? If you not go there, you not say they no go. Even that
I said there be a too. Now, not say na a there be. Now, not even not say na road. That's not road that people.
Now it's not be a
Now they don't say that daddy and Bobby na even road that people. I not even know say I think say na esan. That make me because I say na esan. That make me climb up. I not even know say na road that people.
My sister, what I will tell you, my sister. Nobody they fear body for this social media, but what I want for this one, Rhoda, stop this thing when they talk. Don't stop her. And they know they use a part. No, they use a part till they do all those things because I don't know why they use a broken they use that. One company people one use that they thought they want a bad person. I know they use that. May comment for Pandora for this your matter. I beg because what in the first minute they put Pandora for this matter. And you want me people when people don't ready they talk say Papa Nora don't take justice for that in life matter. You don't do justice for that matter. Now make people to go that platform now to come on their children they'll come and say
what the fight society if you get mouth not be to talk for media. We the ace now come fight with us. Not the competition be make.
I beg because this one the one Papa Nora don't they Papa Nora don't talk
go somewhere for instance too.
To answer me now, you don't talk they do saga again. No carry because you dey find where to kill that mouth you. If that man don't know what be your aim for this social media, you then find where to keep that mouth view. Because when that the way it's not all of us they talk there, we don't like what Papa don't take judge that matter. When at the end of the day, you know as I thought they go to pass for your platform. That is you know the talk.
The way you dey drop people for your platform.
Wait, yeah, you may answer this question. Wait, say me I go summon for Esan too. I know the summon for Esan. Make it go. Now if you summon me for Bini, make go summon me for Esan. I go answer for Esan.
I may summon you now. You will go someone. You will give my paper for Isha because you know if you go swear for Bini. Two of them are Isha.
No, they don't do one. That one when you do so, like you know they work. You know they work.
You know what you do? Go Palace. Palace don't fair one. Palace don't want them.
Joyous, no, obey. Oh, you better attack me. Ebe no, can Joy Palace daughter me oloje. Jo gebe happen. When I say oh Joy actually Palace dey come on. When I say TV no we am oluja. When I say TV but that all those one wey they do, e no good. May you just carry that one when they carry juju for everywhere. Enter house.
When you go report for Isha,
you know they'll call him mama. They get mama brother number for Palace.
You don't use a pipe, no J. You use and take do your this thing for one of the big matter. And then you see them use and one compass. Why can't you use your name? Then they do all those things.
If they have for back, make them not disgrace you.
Now wow, I don't understand though.
Go to DNA. When you find the comment, they say me and your husband is so go to DNA. You forget.
What for even do self?
You want pretty?
What for do self? If I do DNA, go show us the DNA. Say see
the DNA. Jealousy, what this person?
Baby girl, my husband.
Now so that they done, you go do DNA.
You do DNA, make the TikTok.
Go sell for TikTok shop, make you see money to do DNA. Or you go sell those your 10.
Why did they drag Davido with that first daughter where they bad down? They bring the DNA test come show. Not be Davido daughter.
Obiaba, Oh, well,
They know how
wait,
fast
I want to
they
ask you.
they talk.
Shebi Papa, the husband knows you. The husband knows you.
Yes, you know me.
Okay. The man knows you. Okay. Now, you don't stay, you and Jane, you and Tino Funana, don't stay house together, Shebi.
Yes.
Okay. Wait till make road that come be like say they fear now.
Now, so
They fear.
no, he want. What he
Why don't you fear no accusation?
now? He say me I know they go any according say Papa no just say he want set one. He want na me I know they go any platform. Na me I know they talk at all.
No, not
No
any
go.
platform.
This is why
no
they
J.
want to no go.
No J remove hand for this. You know why they talk, huh? Because that platform.
I say you no go.
Me see they
I
contribute.
tell her say make you no consider.
I say make I tell you, I see they contribute for money when people they pay. Oh, because this one not be your road that be your this thing. No, not be your sister. Oh, because all of us are your fast. Oh. Because this one is not the news. The one that they use this to the press person for this social media. They don't understand though. Because that day when that woman bring this thing called, you don't do justice for this that matter. Oh.
Sister
all
Barry,
of us just keep quiet.
Barry J, as far as she don't register no you. No need for settlement for now because the way you guys shut your mouth, may you not talk.
Make you shut your mouth.
Which right Rhoda get? Which right?
For years.
Which right Rhoda get? When you got the same thing, you know they go
say anything when you know about them.
And then say no, they do this thing again. Now all of us stay supporter like this. When they follow us, so if na that saga that time and no get they do, this say we go see journal like this. It doesn't know they do, and the way they do it is all this why we like her. But this woman matter.
Yeah, contribute to that. Make we dey talk am more.
Everybody best. Nobody does. They just leave the matter. Then they wait for another matter.
No,
for that
my own be say
better men no get
right?
this guy. Make him remind of what they talk and may stay on the lane. If not be so, he go bring a nugget. Anything they talk a flop for, they're not going to take us serious again.
You don't carry me go give you no. I
I
even surprised. Now even wake me this morning. I even surprised.
That's why after that day, that judgment, it may first people, plenty people withdraw. If you see after
they use
they just they wait. They say they wait for another thing will come out for
we not the agree or we not the agree.
Baba no gay. I beg. I'm not sure you go get this.
May come on half for this month. I beg.
No, that platform. You go pass people finish. You call your platform for the fight.
I beg more than no verse. I get with her want to.
I beg no gay. Tell her may no come. May no go spoil your small reputation.
I beg. I get with her want to just 1 minute. Sister Barry J.
What you want get for TikTok? I beg.
Settlement for now. She don't already summon you. You don't need to put any platform for settlement.
Don't do the right thing for palace.
No, my own be say which right this road that get to say make person they go from platform to platform. Which right do you have? Now you want the worker for platform. So
you want to bully people, make them not bully you. Now
you come bloggers for Facebook on Facebook. Because my Facebook, that is for me be joyous well. She got the call bloggers for Facebook to check the information about be joyous. From one blogger to another.
No,
you get right to the
Mama Sita. Since when Pastor said you know the side guy again, the way I couldn't for that platform. But now
she know why make them know her secret, but she want
them to know that man. You just they push that man, they push that man, they push that man, make they talk people.
I know they watch.
Brother, no one made them know her secret. That is the point.
I know they watch the Empire Log. I know they follow. I know they watch her. So the reason why we say I would get this the road that said what did she do on the joyous for Facebook? No.
They don't need for Facebook.
No.
It's very bad. People don't come for
this
very bad.
The way he do that, this woman. He not reach joyous to even tell us he go someone like
they never do you one quarter.
What they do joyous?
They never do one quarter. What you do from the joyous?
You see they go like to call and talk about joyous family. Go they tell you say don't go they talk say joyous.
This guy go lie. Say my husband papa kid.
They never do what they carry paper. They never do what you do from the joyous. They carry paper.
Myself,
It was just my marriage.
You know the last one when you do my sister, Joyous still get belly. This guy still get my to go they call in number. You see they call in number say how far Joyous, you could ask them one question. The day when the one record wrote that, it could be like say you might tell us say the one record that if they call and you know both click call again. You and person know they talk. What you make you go they call the person?
You won't know about the person. Now that one you say now which road that
You go get back, you go be witch, you go come outside, go pretend say I know the talk. I know the talk. Now we know. The grace, God.
Because all this one when they talk, my sister, you not go favor anybody. What I just want me to do, me everybody does the talk and see the people. For these people platform for this TikTok, I know they enter. I they list, I will get down with the list. But for me to enter your platform, I know they do. Then I can never get problem with person for this TikTok.
No, auntie, as you say you don't someone you go Benin, where you go in Noji for Isha, where you go somewhere and two for there. That's the Joyous. Because go Benin, go somewhere for Benin. Where you go Isha and go somewhere and they'll call your mama. So pay no letter and go. Now for you to go somewhere for Isha too.
That one they shut people up. Now people not drag you again. Now
you can't take what to dash at. Can you imagine?
I said 223. Can you imagine? Now that they check for Facebook.
God forbid.
Now that they check for Facebook, my sister. That go they share. They share Joyous information. They give all the.
You gonna do that person where be say, the tea not the pay for, but what I see the tea they pay.
That not they sleep. We know them. Don't be sad. That don't give.
She gives bloggers from Joyous for my address. Now she.
That's my address. They tell me they go kill my mama. Now that go to jail.
Oh no, Joyous, you know what they pay? All these TikTok people, they don't know what that don't do you half of it. They don't know what that don't do you.
Bloggers go dead live on Facebook. I know that will come in. He go stop. I go tell you, I know information. He go stop live, put Maggie, put salt. He go.
They do say they can't even threaten Joyous mama. They do say they don't threaten the woman. Then they use Joyous picture.
No, what don't do on Mother's Day? They arrest me Joyous for Mama on Mother's Day. They arrest her because of this husband snatcher.
My sister,
for Facebook.
Now Joyous no one dey sweep. Joyous no one just carry juju.
You dey carry out juju paper. You never even do you pay. They carry the gold. You always say you not gonna live long. That's why you not gonna live long.
In fear.
Did you even break up for me? Did you thought say wait crazy break up for me when the video where the same for me? No be say you want say me not even the talk say see the titi.
You not get right. Madam, anything I know about her, when I pour her format, when I talk her, she don't get.
When you the dress, you for innocent children. You don't know say your nyash go open one day.
No minor.
They swear for innocent children.
You can't take what you do. You point one finger. You are pointing one finger to face. Those of the point against you. You are not a saint. You know, so you are putting one finger. The other 4 fingers are pointing at you. You are not a good person.
The dressing go on that part that they swear for innocent children.
They don't do you anything.
It's not possible. No verse. Now try. If you can't go there, now you don't know. Because they go humiliate you for there. No go.
Very annoying human being.
No, you wake me this morning. I even surprised. This matter, you say no, here no jail.
Mama,
if they say no, you be a no. I say yes, no, maybe no. He say your sister dey here road that. I say yes. Let me say sister. I say the same juju.
Why she may ask my sister now they beat me for years?
Why she not say do the conference before you go do a juju paper?
Okay.
God bless you. Yes.
Why should not do the conference before you go to the paper?
If I say okay, a pie no J. I make I carry this matter go meet a pie no J. You know go bring juju go say okay make them settle and make this guy know they do
you don't juju come for me now. You could now you can't tell me now say me I come be pray no the platform will concert on.
No bro, you're going to be like say madam if you go you're going to be like say you dey fear. Do you understand?
Yes.
And if you look at you, they fear. And everything when you talk in a lie, she go change that engagement. Now what she go bring? Now what she go bring? You people can't give you. Now you want to settle with her. She's going to do this against
I know that. Because evidence not there. They'll go say may you beg her. Evidence.
No, bro. I don't swear anything. Not swear any oduju for anybody. She's not rich for you to swear. No, she go. what you go talk? If you know what they talk now, like go do DNA, make you post for me on the first. Now so you reach.
No,
Now let
50.
my probably me come.
I don't even tell for I don't even tell her before I even block her for WhatsApp. He even use the WhatsApp to send her for me. That is Rhoda. I send her a message.
Not that they send you give you.
Before
Rhoda
I block
not get
her.
that. Jojo not get WhatsApp. Why you not use your WhatsApp? Say me, I will give me.
If you call you, they record that. They record everything which they
Anything
talk.
call you, anybody call you concerning Rhoda, make sure you record them.
They record them.
Make sure you record Rhoda. If not,
You go
they
the link. You go come out for your platform. They go if
Like you know what you know
they talk to your head, not see for
you know
people
what
body.
they pay me
They
now.
talk your
You know
own now.
Joyous. You know what they pay me now? All these things now. Probably know when she go bring because now they already the girl lovers for that this social media now. This guy just want bring out just disturb that man.
everything what they see for Rhoda matter the beer and leave her. Not do the make you not go that platform. Who no Rhoda? Anything we see for Rhoda body go.
The juju paper where he bring concept for if they even they fear the juju paper, now make it go meet you bring juju paper for person. What you come make you call carry
You the first settlement.
Because if they first settlement.
Auntie,
If you don't bring juju paper, if you go meet papa, no
He get one
direct.
parable where
Auntie,
Bini
see,
Bini
no
go
vex.
say,
No
hey,
big girl for do
Bini.
matter.
He get
What
one
you need to
parable where
do?
Bini
You
go
need to call
say.
your mom see for village.
Oh, but no na mute first. I want play the juju man waiting read. No na mute. Oga, you want even someone else and you not speak else and you know they fear. Oh, juju man wait no what before person say one someone you know go fetch check your juju. Waiting the person. Eh? As you be old man so and as I look this juju not powerful reach. I dey look am so. Power not today. Now this
Now what they set up for me this morning? What they take?
Esha juju we already be beko eh. God go enter your body when you reach this Esha juju place. This one not makes it not too main that this one. You know yeah. We not the fear of this so you see me so me myself now juju.
Now the man they use for this girl as
Okay,
and this
man, where they use that day for that girl.
Yes.
Maybe the papa not give and the contact.
yes.
Now this
Now the
one
man be this one. Now the man be
they
this.
can't use that. Make they can't
They
use that
speak
for
English.
yeah.
So until you need to
Mommy
go
Joyous,
go
I beg, mother,
now
You know
wait
they
here
can't use
rest.
social media.
Mommy Joyous. Mommy Joyous, wait.
They cook up for your body.
Mommy Joyous, waiting I know him. As far as say this girl, he don't go somewhere for Bini Ojuju. Now that Bini Ojuju, me I feel cause I then go key road that not be Bini in want a block roads. You understand? You don't know. We don't know. And number two, make this girl, make her mother go summon road her mama. Yes, may go report her for now. No
So you always my dear.
That's so reach our side. That's so
may go give her. Yes. Not sit down. As he bring this paper for you, now you still call your mama. Call your mama, may go somewhere around. You understand? Then this first record, you send her go give her no J. That's how you do her.
They pick up for person body. We know that anyone where person you see me so I know they say I be holy. If you come with God, I deal with God. If you come with Ojuju, I deal with Ojuju. Anyhow you take it. If they set up for palace, you go use another Juju boys and go give you like three Juju men where you go reach the call go enter you.
Now what
Then they see draft. Go for Juju, they draft plenty doctors. That one not the year one.
You know, fit summon me for room. I make you use your husband, come carry me go Bini. What it cost? The naughty doctor, and I know say the naughty doctor now, according to his son, now we send me voice note. They tell me now, say, wait, fast order. If me, my family not be say Bini far for a son, or the same thing. My family, if you still go back, I say, what my family want go do?
It demand.
What my family want go do for Bini?
You know, you said the driver come up for room.
What my family want go do for Bini?
You go somewhere for Isha too. The matter go die like that.
Yeah, I just don't bring her come make it there. Any else
Bini go say, hey, so we are so kind, babe. You forget aunt bite your pikin, you dey shy. Other people who you dey kill the chop, you know.
You need to dey sure say the what they talk now true to so that in case maybe they go swear, you go affect person way life of person.
See your profile. Okay, talk. Sorry.
Auntie, you hear me?
I hear you.
Yes.
I beg you need to dey sure say the thing when you talk, that you dey sure say the na truth. say the first pikin no be her daughter. So in case maybe na swear you no go affect una. So the thing be say you need to see going if you never
no be only road that first talk am. No be only road that no be only don't talk this thing o. Even the wife of the man don't teach her.
So the thing be say when she no dey fear, when she just rest on the matter, you call your mom for us. Tell her say so that they go summon the
I don't even block all those people. I don't block all of this money.
Come now, she will come tell you tomorrow. And so
you sleep with Akpo, abi you no sleep with the boy when they say get the pikin.
Yes, it go swear like that.
Because when you go to swear your own too. If na like you talk, he said they know everything will happen. Many a bed drop their papa brother picture. They say they understand. They know everything will happen. Brother sleep with Akpo, you no sleep with Akpo. You go swear.
No, both swear that one.
You sleep with Akpo, they sleep with Christian, but you not sleep with the two. So you now need to do DNA to clarify because you yourself, your mind not say you don't know get pikin. Simple. Oh my people. I said that do me so I don't sabi judge. I don't get mind. I don't get mad like man. For your life, when you see any other person say you want to be the down for any platform, I go carry my chair, go carry my chest, to tell them what to do to deal with you. No swear. You where they say make it swear. That they don't swear against person.
No, me.
No. And they tell you what I know.
But they want someone themselves now. They need to swear now.
But you know they
our powers not they swear go now. Our powers not they
swear. No.
Yeah.
We know
why you go swear? But
now
what you talk now? She go swear if you dey guilty. You go swear if you not dey guilty.
Now she go swear, not swear.
Now you carry swear. Now you go swear.
Me and I go palace. We judge finish. Waiting me judge. Roda no say talk and Roda deny. Roda want talk now. Kick on the set one. Roda say excuse me sir. I got the record now. Don't post that before. Excuse me, sir. Can we swear? Now the man verse what I'm saying. Now God will punish you. Why you say make it swear? You know not say mama fall for witchcraft. Make the go turn against person. Una no. It be like some people they say. Una no that. Make it go swear.
Oh, you know what? Say wala.
If they say they no road, I just the una. Now make some of una they die so way. He tell the man, the king say me this one. I can say you are very stupid.
Auntie, but now person wey juju dey worry, now juju go fit kill. Not everybody juju dey care.
My sister, me they tell you, wait till you use your mouth go swear that they turn her.
No, but as far as say 2 of them now want swear, she's supposed to still swear too.
Me no even
swear, madam. What you want swear for? You know go swear. What you want swear for?
What I want swear for? Who I want swear?
We not they swear.
I'm not dead that number. I call this. What I want swear for?
Go swear. If you not do all those kind of things, if this girl don't know her, may go swear.
No,
now she go swear if you go sleep with
me. Be say as far as say the girl now tell her say she
make she first swear say whether she sleep with the boy. The Akpo. If you probably not go bring Akpo picture come outside, my wife come.
No, not bring man. You not bring Akpo picture.
You must swear.
Akpo picture now. No one disgrace her because he's not a married man. Una think the person they joke for this.
Sister, wait, they up. Not be person where they summon the first swear. Now who summon person? Now go first swear to clear her name. Say
yes, and not to say she
no. Mommy, this year just
swear, but she to swear too.
If she no one know too, then she go clear her name. And not be person where they summon, not be go your fair carry. They swear. They not they swear like that.
Yes, they talk now. Two of them go swear, but now she go
if na me be her to
mommy,
prove
this
her
thing,
wrong.
mommy,
This one where they go ojuju to ojuju so. Wait, mama. This one where they go ojuju to ojuju so. If na me be her,
put yourself, mommy Ellie.
Who they talk?
Go ojuju to ojuju. Make it prove this auntie wrong by bringing DNA. Like the one where Regina go do where her husband tell her saying a drug addict. So he prove her wrong.
He bring juju come for your husband.
He not bring juju. He go do the test. He go do the test. You understand? So you bring paper come to prove yourself wrong.
You cover your name for there. Make person not use your name for bad.
Accusation. She dey fear.
Why you go to do the shut people up? Man, I'm not going. Not that your shame and this shame must be everlasting.
Don't talk now. Many people. This a picking show of it. Be say the man wife first talk and many people are not. I talk. I not lie. Yes, I talk am. This one no fit clear the matter. Say whether not be juju go clear the matter or whatever. What you go clear the that DNA?
Now because now you know her Richards. Now make her Europe.
Wait,
Go
who
somewhere.
said the lies was too much? Cause right now you dey run, you dey man. We not the swear for Benin. We get our king, may go our king, may they go swear. May go Esan, may go carry juju for place.
No, mommy, you know why they say
as far as
she
say
need
she
to.
say if na Benin person now, ain't go let's talk.
Mommy Joyous, you know why they
Yeah,
say
block
she go
this
swear?
person.
Because they go
Is this
say
say
when
that they play?
mommy tell the first swear first. Then they go say when she see swear if the girl tell her or no.
My sister, we know the answer Benin swear. You know they hear me.
No,
Mommy
not
Ali,
go.
Mommy
Not
Ali.
be Benin. No, she need to
May
go.
go Esan, may go Esan, palace.
Yeah, she need to go inside and go somewhere.
Today we dey go swear
I
matter.
think go just reach.
He
So
never
what
ready.
you gonna do
Rhoda,
about
wait,
that
Rhoda never ready to summon you.
Since never to someone, you when you first go someone out for Isha.
He never ready. If you ready to summon me, if you Rhoda ready to summon me, may summon me for home.
Thank you. Simple.
And so reach her.
He never ready. Me, because I not go for Bini. I not be Bini. I'm Uromi. Rhoda na Uromi. Me na Uromi.
Thank you.
No, what?
See you go do. I say no gay say in one settle matter. May you come apply for my own.
Me I not dey go. Nothing concern me. Concern no
You
dey
go
platform.
write am. Listen now, you go write am. Let her know say if she don already summon you, so that invitation you no go honor her to avoid saga. They may not go the saga. You say you run blah blah blah. You
No,
If
understand?
it's Sagara with Saga Road, I go back on family.
No, pa no jo no fit saga me. No concern pa no jo.
You not concerned and I know that. They know. One that the Saga Asian people, he no know.
If I pa no jo no fit saga me, what you want saga me for?
If they Saga, you go Saga.
If they saga me, na be say they believe the na be say they join the road that they beat that first wife. Where be Bini?
If it's Saga, you are
That's the
Saga.
talk with the what you know the road that you take pa no jo no fit saga me. What you want saga me for?
I really pity that a pa from a pa to husband, from husband to baby.
If a pa no jo sorry, if a pa no jo saga me, if I climb that up, I will finish road. The rest talk we are not supposed to talk, I will talk and I'll bring them down for that to talk.
I make her go some more use. So may you for may your enemy for shut up, may you for
make it. Now that one make her tell why no gay. May he call you, may he beg you, may he pass it to you just as he threatened the first one. May not climb again.
See, una go surprise say this road na husband. They don't use one eye. They look that. They don't use one eye. They look that the daughter. It don't they cause problem for their house. Then they thought this nonsense they happen. So.
If the man come from a responsible family,
husband don't they use one eye. They look that the key for that house.
Auntie talk everything. Oh yeah.
No be for the come. No be together they tell us they no be get.
You know, why since that
you don't they cause quarrel for that home.
Since when this matter take come up, why don't they never put my picture for a price on Sagami? You know, say if it's Sagami, if I climb that up, I'll finish her.
Zanza everything come out.
I'll finish her.
Talk everything.
I'll finish her. And I go get shit for them. Nobody know me for TikTok. All those who pretend where they pretend, I'll finish her.
If she call a note, they say may call you to order. That means say that girl, no, that lady a big woman. No wait, I won't call her. She not so more. You not 20 job be. Only that one me just say for you.
He won't shut you up as they tell the ex-wife may not talk again.
So if you not go call you now, don't concern anything. Nah. You know the top put anything we concern you may road and not the top put. Now wait till they want to be that one. It not will work because you don't go. You don't mention some already. Now wait till she for fair do. Now she dey later do so.
That's my snatcher. Oh wow.
Not that way they talk am before. Not that don't use the man tell me 3 days ago say you go summon me. I don't already they talk am. He won't go tell me say.
Did they call you?
Mommy Ali, Mommy Ali, you know, shut up for this place.
Because because Rhoda one first tell me 3 days ago. Rhoda they tell me say he go summon me 3 days ago. He say whether na he gog me, he say man where I born for a day Nigeria, whether na he gog me 3 days ago for a platform or before because he already tell me say go summon me before I can't even
okay, you meet the talk say go summon you. If I tell you.
3 days ago they talk for a platform. Why
you know say she not the get sense. As you say, I saw sense run from her. That juju man not go stay away from TikTok talk. Make them not go the saga your juju. Because your juju said code not the cash person for juju.
Wow.
Oh, Becky, even myself, you don't know where you even go for. You they bring juju. You don't know, say after I watch now. Jabba Sabina. In the night or in the afternoon, una they do. That's wow.
I can't go, man. Everybody go me as well.
You don't understand? Afternoon, now they fly.
Your mama wish not strong again. Huh? Your mama wish don't go that
because after emoji, they be there this thing. They don't they go that place in the night. Most of the day I feel like they don't go
there. No go discover house for you. They go in the night.
I discover you now because the way not that they bring juju that. Not that I beg when that will work. Because as he come talking, you try me, you just okay. This girl know each other. I don't stay the same house.
I that even call me, ask me they talk, ask me talk for the Mama Joyous platform. He go even call me. As he go come, go say he go even talk to me say he don't do even do all those things. He know say what they do for this thing not good, but me no they talk again. What see what happen. For rest.
Nah, I understand, but you know, say as two of know each other before. Two of them don't stay the same house. Even that your wife say if Papa to his house, una don't still go there. Because I remember that his wife thought say when they want give the quick notice, they say women will get the house, they spoil water, they don't spoil something. But you talk and say now I did that house that time.
Now be with the women, sha.
Now you not be the women when they did the house. For Papa twins house. But when they talk that brother knows you, brother not say you know her. Till all of them don't stay the same house. You understand? But this one when you come like say they bring juju paper, they do this one. As you talk, she'll go prove her.
Juju paper. Now me I don't understand. What so people now so they bring juju paper for us, they bring juju paper for person. You not bring her to the person family. My family don't call me for her, say they bring juju paper for me. They say that for me for 2 hours. So
no, Benin for that Benin side. No, make she don't go that side. Make she come.
That's why I tell the Benin people were there, and so I tell they bring juju paper for me.
That's how she they do because even as they do this one, mama don't know. You don't know this girl. Until Palace call mama, now mama go.
If you bring juju come for me, you bring juju come for me. You say the paper.
Every time the people go give your poor mother.
Normally as they do am, as far as say she go somewhere ahead, as she dead there or she don't go the place or she same person. Now from there, they suppose call you or call your family. Not be saying that she go constantly they send the juju paper from WhatsApp to you.
They don't call my family. They know if you tell me they call my family, go see my family. No, they're not saying anything for my family. The juju man they tell me say I can't give them my family people number. I don't say me I know they give anybody number.
Why should I rather yell self how?
Why you go give her your family number?
Maybe now them yo. I say which family?
My sister.
Maybe now among the men when you sleep with now, so now you
go
you so. Let the 20 you so.
Oswald.
But that one waiting me the
juju for your life. Now better tell me go to your husband.
My sister, waiting me the verse now. If I know when I tell they watch till they sleep, now you want on the user thing for this matter because the team matter if you not just good at all.
No, but now if I know J Mark now for you and this one is say bring juju.
Not just good at all because even at first, even they don't the verse that they say why this matter. Make sure they talk about this matter. They may they close this chapter. But this one when you want on they see they use this matter now come they bring her for your platform. Now where we know like because many of us we love that man because of the truth when they talk. But since when they know that matter when they sub that day when truth no take come outside my sister and that and I don't say that. If people, even some people come when they watch, they go, people they talk say, I know if you carry my matter go there again because justice no day for this that matter after. Maybe for example now, maybe person go get problem with materiality. Now me say you go jump materiality the beat that person. Now what if people no want go that platform when they talk about that thing again? You don't forget about this materiality. Anything materiality big matter for you again. You will just be like say you know you don't come out eyes for there because this girl want try to spread your reputation for this TikTok because they know that you get highest view. I go talk as it be. Because this lady know say you get the highest view for this TikTok.
I concern you. Why use them when Bob you your baby?
No, so my sister I not concern
I cannot
you.
understand though, because I don't know what you make and for you.
Epa no if they wash me now, anybody will know you they wash my bed. Epa no ja beg. My just today my body. Epa no ja beg. No let road that push you make carry my picture come Instagram. If you carry my picture,
yeah, go.
I go expose road that more.
You talk everything that time.
No, what I just want, Epa no je no go bring your picture. That man no go bring your picture. God, because what you just pay me. Wetin just pay me now because we go meet Epa Enoje, because all of us when they watch Epa Enoje, we no be fool. All of us when they donate for that platform, we no be fool. Now because of the love we love and because of the place when we be like stay.
The ex-wife even the channel that day for no Epa Enoje platform say may go be juju if na the husband get that first daughter. You not talk.
Look at that side. The front side there. Now today they
according to you,
everybody they talk and they talk.
They send me the juju paper for WhatsApp. Okay, what you make people they
I think say myself Epa Enoje will just remove her for this security matter. You only do artists they go. You only do artists they go for a platform. You know, talk about this momentarily because people, you know, say people don't like her for that your platform. You know. This one we want to go back again.
Mute today, we have me on Tata. Mute.
No, Epa Enoje platform self. The what TikTok people, they're there against them.
Are you all like Bucky me? They know your bill. Be concerned with. But offer there's also some of them more than TikTok now. Offer there's also about more. Ek me amunde gbe. I'm a road that me mude. For in life, you go ever if since he say nice and people want
mommy success. No be Epa Enoje matter with the talk for you now.
I just tell you.
No, they bring Epa Enoje. You want me like say that Epa Enoje for matter for the discuss. Not be small picking. So they know how you want the platform to do.
The Epa Enoje call Obrey. Now he call and send and they say they want to now he call her now.
Then you need to comment. Only people that comment to Epa Enoje, not be you. You people that call me talk to Papa Epa Enoje.
Me not get anything. What I
no, you don't talk to Epa Enoje for you. What they talk for the platform? I beg.
Oh, you wear Tamano Zobo.
I don't get any issue with Epa Enoje.
I know what you want the platform to do.
Epa Enoje say no, I don't fit on your platform. I don't fit come for your platform for settlement. He say okay, he call the call. What you dey tell Epa Enoje? Now maybe go they look me now person wey know if he's short and send that for a bed. If he carry my picture put for a platform, saga me. If he saga me, carry my picture put for a platform, saga me. I go
pack out the picture. Come
As I say he call you, know go saga you. As I say he don't already call you, know go saga you. You know saga you. You know they be. You know
get that fight your battle.
Epa no dey do saga again. You know they do saga.
Now when you don't know the person,
on the platform alone. When you dey do your papa not there. Go and fight your battle.
And now when you don't know the person, if you call the person not respond. Then they carry the person picture come out. So who know the person will go they call the person that
20.
Wow.
You know saga you not be like that. That man he dey intelligent.
You need to use the wisdom now they talk because this girl who no now they fall for a trap. You are mad, brother.
The follow they breed that one. Me, which kind of thing be all this one? Me.
Oh yeah, but just better if na month you get today, carry that month, drink and wear. Your juju might tell you said your juju not get cold for body, not get cold. Cold not there.
Wow.
So juju there you go see on yourself blood of Jesus.
I don't even block it.
No, my sister. If not be said they no bring juju for Joyous for last month for December, now I was okay.
Now she come from me.
They call Joyous. If your small family call Joyous. Now then they call they want the mama. They thought say make she
make the one the girl.
I know what they talk.
The king want to make the mama want this girl. So now make her say make you go king. I know what they talk. That one said the man not get right to come somewhere for marry. Since they put the man name, imagine you they find trouble, you go they put Jeba family. You they put Jeba family, Rhoda. Fear no catch you. You want me to help you kill the man where that man?
You know, I'm not sure say go fit go juju place or Uromi again. I make it carry and go Benin. You go they serve Uromi person in
If
juju.
you know people juju, then you go do DNA to clear your name come up for background.
I just
This
DNA
you
go
just depend on that DNA. You go
My
clear.
daughter,
no, normally,
We
as
need
a
that
civilized
now.
person.
Oh, you don't be not say road that go the front like person will be say innocent.
Esa yoge na emi
get
yaki
for
wa
inside
goja. We say on esa emi a warrior yaki emi a doria yaki wa goya.
Nah.
So make
Where
go
as it
do
dey be road
DNA
that
to
for
clear your name.
Off it, go and watch your cartoon now. Go and use your iPad. Off this thing.
road that may have baby social media. Mary saga. Oh, my money some Mary saga, but me around there.
Okay, talk to me. I tell you what happened.
Me I this road go and road that.
When Rhoda
Along with the
saga me,
guy.
Rhoda saga me 3 months, I know answer am. That time, I know they do saga. When I come in there, they do hair, they do different things. This guy saga me and the husband 3 months, I no talk put. No, na the year, oh. That time newly come Facebook because now she first me get Facebook, come humiliate me, they come they hold me, not be say I no fit saga. When I come do only one video, when I come for know his secret come outside because she can't say I don't know anything about him. The next minute, this guy run go bring Ayelala to shut me up. That was 4 years ago, more than the year so. As he bring Ayelala, now he come carry and got my husband family. And when he dey saga me, he come dey target my husband family, make them for hate me. What he tell me about the family, he come say na me tell her. Because I don't know her before. She was after my husband. Now in my family, my husband papa, where say then they born king go. Now they go king. King come swear put. Rhoda finish for there, more than the year. After there, Rhoda can't go my village again. Ubiaja. He can't bring Ayelala come Ubiaja. As he just they tell the man where there Ayelala. I don't even know say the man where be Ayelala for Ubiaja. He married for my old tribe. My friend will be my friend, my old friend. If I mention all the people here, know her for here. That one too na Ayelala. Now Romy, but he come marry for Ubiaja. Just that we are not men and we they train together that time. That one come say this one are my person. No. Now we carry road that go palace. They reach palace now. They can't disgrace Rhoda. After then, that one come there aside, though nobody swear. May I tell you, I tell the escape and they go. I'll still the beat time because he don't want me to talk. He can't they want shot me, they bring a juju. Me myself, I don't want here. Because she still say she will feel can't disgrace people enter house. After that one, sorry, Papa. Sorry. I don't see solution to your kakaya. It's okay. After that one finish, you can't go police station. You don't go police station. You go still go police station for you. I'll tell you what to waka. You know, get waiting. I got that police. I went at the last time this December. Make them stop to send me letter. If they don't stop one, me and Rhoda will go court. I go one police, not be lie, because for Germany, no person if you go police, you have the right to say I no answer. They know they keep person put. If you want go court, make it go court. It go sweet. I make it hold evidence. Make sure say never post me saga me and my family before. Because me I hold evidence. Even though 6 years to come, I hold against you. Now you defend say you never talk to me. I get evidence, a lot of evidence when you don't say saga my family. After that one come out, this December again now he come find my wahala. Now he come find me. I dey come here. Sorry. I beg. Now he come find me. I dey pregnant my I dey my road that they find whether I really get belle. May for go wait me for delivery room. May for go wait me for delivery room as me and so it be. Now me come saga mama saw bring his brother wey be criminal come outside, bring his sister. Rhoda now no fit take saga wey I give am that day. We come go police. I go police with pregnancy. I tell the policeman I beg. Hey, that one come on. I no even know say Rhoda carry me go someone for Uromi. He come carry my husband papa number give Ojuju man make they call my husband papa. Now that one want them say no call her again, no the answer Ojuju for Benin. Now my husband papa can go somewhere and she don't know say my husband in Nigeria. She was shocked say the Ojuju the matter in Nigeria because I told my husband I tell no you I don't know you before. As I reach there now the king say matter where is settled 4 years ago fear not catch you. You can't see they call someone the person again. And first of all, the man where you marry na Bini for Esalan where you for marry that they beat people where you for marry. As in you marry where you for marry you they beat people for there. Now they want him, mama may want him picking. As him mama de palace, they call Rhoda no pick again. Me now they not call me. My husband no greet tell me because he not say even though I don't near to born, I go saga until I born. My husband just say he know his wife. He not tell me. Till my husband come, they can't tell me. So now they go palace. So if mama come it down, they beg. He not send her. He not send her. Every they call the pikin and not pick up. Now his kid say me want his daughter. Now he make I tell you if you be any Romi person, anywhere for his son, Rhoda summon you. Go carry and go Romi Pala, make them no Rhoda as a disgrace to Romi land. So make the king. Yes, now, since the king they want I know 1 year, they go no and say disgrace. The king need to come call the man where marry and family now. Make them want. Now wait till I tell you now, make you help me do. No need to shake. Since he say what is greatest.
No, they fear for me. I know they fear for those kinds of things.
Now palace now, anybody where Rhoda summon. If you be a son, if you be I don't know that.
Joyous, you be like say never know Obey. You be like say never know Obey. Obey, you know they fear that thing when you do so. Obey, you know they fear that. Obey, you often more. No be say now they fear, no they fear that.
Where's Juju? They stress. This and where girl Juju they go carry Binio Juju. They say, I summon you. You not saga the Obey. Man talk, man respond. They not the judge for anyway. First of all. Man talk, man respond. If you tell the see what I still tell the see what you talk about. You know say that's why I tell defeat you. Man, I not fear. If you be Benin that summon you, that one I don't know. But if you be a son, I go tell you how to come. May we make sure say when Rhoda every month they go palace. The palace now will come tell mama say, see, I mean one tell palace now say, may they go tell Rhoda mama may go lose the papa grave. May they go remove name for that man grave. You demand. You know what makes you disgrace you want cover a mouth. But you go feel come Facebook, come they narrate me. Wait till you know about me. You come they tell blogger make this use a saga person.
There is such innocent children not get papa. They be bastards. How you tell innocent children are bastard?
This guy
the person a woman that still don't know that said the
children give social welfare. What I never do. Social welfare make they come collect my children. As they come, God disgrace her. May I tell you one story? There was a time if I got a report Rhoda for station, police don't want to hear a name. They know they give me listening here. Now I call, I say, no, this one will be ordinary. I tell you, say, my matana everlasting. You go know
the we are the do those police issue for Germany. Yeah.
It don't go everywhere, enough it. Nice is that you don't know what to do. My matana na, it don't tire. Make her they talk. But go they do backyard work. If I beat her, he go station. He say I go sit I defend me character. If I really mean in saga, you know me, if they rugged now, I go really mean her. All generation go back and come outside. The husband family, all of them to say I get them. Try saga her, may I not pack them come outside. Bring all the boys where you fuck, may I pack them come outside for you. God punish you.
Yo.
This how they play. Wait till you don't do me.
I see where they